Hello, my name is Patrick Soroka of Soroka Law. People ask, so why hire an attorney and pay them 20% at the end of the case? It's a fair question. But there is no hourly fee or upfront cost for hiring an attorney to represent you in a workers' compensation case. You'll never owe an attorney out of pocket. But the thing is, regardless of how well you know your supervisor or manager, when you get injured, the handling of your case will be taken out of their hands by the insurance company. So you can't rely upon supervisors or managers for advice on a comp claim or for protection. Asking them what you should do will not be helpful. They work for the company first and they don't know the law. So you have to be aware of the trips and the traps that will be set up by the carrier to make it harder for you to get the care you need and the paid time off to properly recuperate following an injury and get back to work healthy. Getting back to work healthy is not the goal of the insurance company. This is the main reason why you need the advice of an attorney immediately after you get hurt. Also, a popular misconception is that a certain type of injury is worth a set amount of money. So why pay an attorney? But this simply is not true. The value of your case is not written in stone. It depends on proper diagnosis, full treatment, and guidance throughout this process. These things don't happen by accident, but through the guidance and intervention of an experienced attorney. Please see my other videos on the tricks and traps that insurance companies lay for injured people right from the start to get an idea of the complicated process that is set up for an injured worker and trying to get fairly compensated and adequate medical care when you're injured at work. How your injury is noted in the medical records, how it is diagnosed, and which doctors you treat with are the most important pieces of evidence which will determine the quality of your medical treatment, time off pay, and the value of your injury. My approach is that I monitor what is being recorded in the medical records, so when we discuss how you are doing, if the records don't accurately reflect how serious your condition is, then you have an opportunity to address that with the doctor and correct that essential piece of evidence. This approach does three important things. Number one, it ensures that you get full medical treatment for your injuries. Two, that you receive workers' compensation for as long as you need to heal from the injury. And three, it increases the value of your case by ensuring the medical records accurately reflect the seriousness of your injury. This approach does increase the value of your case, in many instances by up to tens of thousands of dollars or more. Further, it ensures that you return to work healthy, ready to make a living for you and for your family. So when you hire Soroka Law, you have a team dedicated to communication. We have a full staff, but if you have concerns, if something doesn't seem right to you, you'll have my cell number to reach me directly. This is the bedrock of how I practice law. Because if I know what's going on with you, what's most important, then I can head off any issue before it becomes a problem, so things run smoothly. If a person waits for problems to arise or for the insurance company to cut off pay benefits before you contact an attorney, it will be months before the problem can be resolved, and things may have already happened which cannot be undone or may require a lengthy trial process to fix. This is why I approach cases the way that I do. Navigating a workers' compensation process alone is a bad idea with a system that is stacked against you when it involves things as important as your health, your career, and your ability to make a living for your family. So if you get injured, the most valuable thing you can do is to contact Soroka Law to get the right advice early on before the process takes over. What to do, what not to do, and what to watch out for. Now, I would hope you watch my other videos to give you a better idea of what to expect when you suffered an injury at work. Thank you.